everyone, welcome back to my channel, which is JoJo's Black Shack. So today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I got something last Sunday. I ordered it online and it arrived yesterday. I didn't get a chance to unbox it yesterday, so I'm doing it today. So if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Joanne. I like to do videos on luxury handbags, unboxing, fashion, and fun lifestyle. So if you like my content, please subscribe and hit that like button. So here we go, let's do the unboxing. So it's here. So this one came from Sydney. Let's do this. So it's just something small, and that's my receipt. So, a lot of paperwork there. I got a little shopping bag too. Yay. Oh, and also I actually left like a little note from myself to myself. So this is it here. I thought, why not? So I said, for you, XOXO. There you go. All right, let's do this. Go. Ta-da! Just a 4Key holder. Oh my god, it's so cute, guys. It's so tiny. Let's have a look. So that one says made in France. So I can't wait to use it. Yeah, so what I'll do maybe after a few weeks or so, I'll do a review on it, and yeah, see how we go. Yeah, so I'm so happy, guys. That's it. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like my little unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.